Alright tech fam, let's talk screens, the windows to our digital souls. These little rectangles are more than just glass and pixels. They're our connection to the world, our entertainment hubs, and our productivity powerhouses. And when it comes to screens, Samsung is basically royalty. They've set the bar high and everyone else is just trying to catch up. They've been killing it for years, supplying displays for everything from smartphones to TVs. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or scrolling through social media, chances are you're looking at a Samsung screen. But hold up, because things just got even more interesting. Samsung isn't just resting on its laurels, they're pushing the envelope even further. We're talking next-level OLED tech here, and Samsung's about to drop it into some of the hottest phones on the planet, Apple's iPhones and Google's Pixel 9. Imagine the crispness, the clarity, the sheer vibrancy of these displays. Now you know I gotta break down what makes this a big deal. It's not just about brighter colors or deeper blacks, it's about a whole new level of visual experience. So buckle up, because we're diving into the world of pixels, brightness, and why this move from Samsung is sending ripples through the entire tech world. From gaming to streaming to just everyday use, these screens are set to redefine what we expect from our devices. Get ready to be amazed. First things first, let's talk OLED. This ain't your grandpa's LCD screen, folks. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode, which basically means each pixel lights up on its own. No backlight needed, which means true blacks, insane contrast, and colors that pop like crazy. Think of it like the difference between a candle and a stadium floodlight. OLED is that next-level stadium experience. Now, Samsung's been leading the OLED game for a minute, but they've upped the ante with something called M14 organic materials. And trust me, this is where things get really interesting. So what's the deal with M14? You might be wondering why there's so much buzz around this new material. Well, it's all about efficiency, baby. M14 is designed to make your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable. These new materials are like giving your phone's display superpowers. Imagine having a screen that not only looks amazing but also performs exceptionally well. We're talking brighter screens without draining your battery life. This means you can enjoy a vivid display without constantly worrying about recharging. And you know how much we all rely on our phones these days. From checking emails to streaming videos, our smartphones are essential. The brighter the screen, the easier it is to see in sunlight, and that's a win for everyone. No more squinting or struggling to read your screen outdoors. Plus, brighter screens mean HDR content looks even more incredible. Your favorite shows and movies will look more vibrant and lifelike. But it's not just about brightness. M14 also boosts the overall quality and lifespan of the display. This means your phone will stay in top condition for longer. We're talking vibrant colors for longer, which means your phone stays looking fresh even after months of use. So with M14, you're not just getting a better display, you're getting a longer lasting one too. Section 4, Apple and Google, leveling up. Okay, so we've got Samsung the Screen Masters with this game-changing M14 OLED tech. But the real story is who they're bringing it to. Apple and Google, two of the biggest names in the smartphone game. For Apple, this means their already stunning iPhones are about to get even better. Imagine the iPhone 15 Pro Max with a brighter, more vibrant display. That's next-level content consumption, my friends, and for Google's Pixel 9, this is huge. The Pixel camera is already legendary, and now with Samsung's M14 OLED, those photos and videos are going to look absolutely insane. Section 5, a brighter future competition breeds innovation. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. Samsung supplying Apple and Google with this cutting-edge display tech is a big win for consumers like you and me. Why? Competition, baby. When these tech giants go head-to-head, they push each other to innovate and deliver the absolute best products possible. And who benefits? We do. So, yeah, this is more than just about brighter screens. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the smartphone world, and I am here for it. Section 6, the Samsung factor. Finally, let's give Samsung some props. This tech giant has been a game changer in the industry for years. By supplying their rivals with this top-notch OLED tech, they're not just raising the bar for everyone, they're also showing that they're confident enough in their own game to share the wealth. This is a bold move that speaks volumes about their innovation and leadership. They're not just keeping the best for themselves, they're pushing the entire industry forward. This move solidifies Samsung's position as the leader in display technology and sets the stage for even more incredible innovations in the future. Imagine the possibilities when such advanced technology becomes the standard. And as a tech enthusiast, I can't wait to see what they come up with next. The future looks incredibly bright, and Samsung is at the forefront of this exciting journey. So there you have it, folks. Samsung's M14 OLED displays are coming to an iPhone or Pixel near you, and it's about to get bright. This is just the beginning of a new era in display technology. The tech world is buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. Samsung's innovation is paving the way for a brighter, more vibrant future. So keep an eye out, because these M14 OLED displays are going to revolutionize the way we experience our devices. It's about to get bright. Peace out.